everyone, it's Donna here. I'm here with AVSC for the month of May. Now May is scrapbooking day, which is celebrated all around the world. In Auntie Vera's land, we celebrate it all month. So month is National Scrapbooking Month for us. You can go to AvSC, that's her shop, and she's got great sales on, so always check her out. We do have a Facebook group, and it's facebook.com Crafty Vera and Friends. I'm on funtobeheaded.blogspot.com.au. I'm also on Facebook, and I'm Donna's Fun Stuff. Okay, I've got my kit for the month of May. I've taken it out of the box because the box is too big, and I will show you. Bubble wrap, of course, is always handy, and you can do lots of things with bubble wrap. Okay, I cannot remember what I actually ordered really, so you're probably going to get as much excitement as I am. We'll go here, and I have got Dimensional Effects texture paste from Deco Art, and this is, I've got this before and I've used all mine, and I tell you what, have to be honest, this is one of the better texture pastes I've actually come across. Okay, we have got a wooden flourish pack. It's called Curiosities, and that is from Craft, and I'll give you a close-up of what they are. Okay, so, oh, it helps if I turn them up the right way, I'm sorry. Bird cage, beetles, it looks like a moth there instead of a butterfly. A little jar maybe? Keys, yeah. We have collage, it's a design template, which is from Craft also. I know I'm going to love using that. That's going to be so nice. Okay. I've got an idea in mind what I'm going to do. Now, May is all about memories. It's about scrapbooking. It's you can do cards as long as it's got something about memories and photos. Tim Holtz Ideology film strip ribbon. And I really like this. That's what it looks like. I had to have something Tim Holtz, honestly. I have also chosen the Craft piece here, which is called Keepsake, and this one has the stamps, and it actually has the dies to go with it, and I really like it. And as you can see, happiness is captured life, captured love, captured moments, special memories, whatever. So that will go really well with the theme that I've got going. Here's my paper. So these are quite thick, and like I said, they are sticker sheets. Lovely. This here is Studio Light. So they're two different. This is a sticker sheet, but it will go in with what I've got. But it also matches everything that's in this collection as well. So this is Studio Light and Ultimate Scrap Collection, and it is double-sided. Isn't it pretty as? I mean, that's gorgeous, isn't it? And it does smell wonderful, and it's got a really nice feel to it. Okay, so that's that one. This is the second one. So that's number 9, I would say. Scrap US 09. This one is Scrap US 04, and again, that's lovely. It's just beautiful. I can just see, you can just, you know, fussy cut so much of it if you wanted to. Oh wow, that is, oh my goodness, I love that. I'll bring you a close-up of that one. That's beautiful. I love that. Oh, and 2 sheets of each, so yay! 2 sheets. Oh, I got 3 sheets of this one. Oh, I'm happy. 3 sheets, I'm happy. We have 2 sheets of this one. This is 03, and And that is so pretty too. I'm actually rethinking what I was going to create the first time around when I ordered all this, because this paper's so nice. I probably want to, not sure. I'm not sure. This is O2, so that is beautiful as well. And look at that, wow, that's gorgeous. I love that. That's really nice. This is O1. Yeah, that's pretty too. Oh, and you got, it reminds me of very similar to when I go to get eye doctor to get my glasses. That is wonderful too. So I've got 2 of them. And I have 2 of these, this collection. I have 2 of this. And I have 3 of this, which I'm totally stoked with. And I have this one. And my sticker sheet. And my stamps. And a film strip ribbon. And I have my template or stencil. I have my flourishes and my dimensionals. Now, what do I really like? Okay, gotta go to paper. The paper is just gorgeous. I am going the paper. Just beautiful. Loving the papers. Loving it. Absolutely love this. My favourite. So, thank you, Auntie Vera. I will get back to you people and see what I create. Don't forget to join in with the scrapbooking month of May. And remember, it is all about memories and scrapbooking and things. It doesn't necessarily have to be a scrapbook page. Check out last year's, what we did for last year. We did all sort of different things. So, check it out. Go back onto the blog and go to Auntie Vera's Scrapbook Craft, and everything that we have is on sale. Bargain. I'll catch you soon. Bye.